Oh, and as well, the fan to make sure the bathroom dries. That Confill has a way of sitting there staying cool and moist when you don't have wind. Although it will set quite hard, it needs to have the wind or it will take time. Time that we don't have, because anything over a day is unacceptable. Okay. Handyman's tool punch right there, buddy. Yep, that's what it is. Oh, geez, look at all that things. You're not supposed to wear clothes at a tent party either, but we are today. This is not actually a tent party, so. We need the fan set up down in this area. Gotta try it forward. Right over here, also a little light there.